Today we're grilling a one-pan chicken with a sweet and spicy whiskey glaze. Preparation is simple. All we need is some fresh vegetables and herbs.
We'll quarter some Yukon Gold potatoes, then chop up some carrots and add some onions. Half and quarter a lemon. Next we'll add our minced garlic to our butter. Then we'll add a dash of seasoning. Spread the butter under the skin and press evenly. Next we'll add our lemon and herbs into the cavity.
Next we'll truss our chicken.
Add our potatoes, carrots, and onions to our pan. We'll drizzle some olive oil, then add some salt and pepper.
Place our chicken on top of the vegetables, olive oil, evenly coat with salt and pepper, and add some spice. I use Big Green Egg chicken rub. Now onto the grill, indirect at 350 degrees. It's time to make our glaze. It's just a couple simple ingredients, and it's gonna taste so good. A quarter cup honey, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, half teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/4 cup of whiskey, and give it a mix. Take a look, ready to glaze. Glaze several times during the last 15 minutes of your cook. Dinner is served.